What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So today we are finally gonna be fixing the Subaru. I've got my lower control arm, coilovers, which I'll install next video, not this video unfortunately, and I've got some bushings and stuff to install as well. This car might not move for a little bit longer, but that's okay. So I'm gonna be honest, I haven't exactly filmed everything. I've got part of the control arm off. Around where the ball joint sits. Go over there. Basically, there are a couple bolts here that are somewhere underneath the car that hold in a bushing that I need to remove in order to remove this piece. And since it's broken right around here-ish back there, I can just pull the whole thing out and then focus on removing this small piece back here. I'm having a lot of difficulty removing these bolts, so I'm gonna see if I can use an impact gun and just move them like that. Hopefully I don't round them. If I do, then fuck my life. That's why I haven't been recording, and I might not record until I remove this, if I even can. Good progress has been made. I didn't record it because I was charging up my camera, but the old control arm has been removed. So we're gonna real quick install this new one, and then in the next video we're gonna put in the coilovers. Actually, they're all in except this one, but you'll get to see that next video since this video isn't about the coilover install. I hope this video wasn't too short. I didn't actually film a lot. I don't plan to talk a lot, so I'm just gonna replace this. Actually, before I do, let me just show you exactly what was wrong with this one. So here we see this is one piece here connected, but on this one it isn't exactly one piece, it's more like two pieces. So that's why this one is junk. Not completely, I can still use this bushing. Thing is, I already have a new bushing here, so I don't need it. Let's get to installing this thing. That puts us just this much closer to being able to get this car back on the road, which I'm so excited for. It's been sitting in this garage for 3 weeks now. I'm done with it being in the garage because I want to actually drive it. I miss driving a manual. Let's get to it. I want to drive this car.